Pile Charity and once again back with Skymet Monsoon Report. The Pacific Ocean seems to be warming up once again. Chances of El Nino occurring this year stand at 60%, peaking during winter months. Here's a look at the weather in detail across the country for tomorrow. In the satellite image, thick monsoon clouds could be seen across North India. Scattered clouds will hover around East India and the West Coast. Let's move on to rain now. A fresh weather system over North Bay of Bengal will bring good showers over Bihar, Bengal, Odisha and Jharkhand. Entire North India will also experience a rainy weather tomorrow. Let's move on to temperatures beginning with northeast and northeast India. Tomorrow, good showers will be confined to north and east India. Temperatures likely to come down further and settle in lower 30s. In entire northeast and northeast India, minimums will settle in mid-20s. In Delhi, maximum and minimum will be at 32 and 26 degrees. In Kolkata, maximum and minimum will be at 32 and 25 degrees. Let's move on to central India now. Rain will now ease out of the central parts, but temperatures will not rise immediately. Maximums in entire central India will not rise above 35 degrees. Night will also be comfortable with minimums in mid-20s in entire central India. In Bhopal, maximum will be 31 while minimum temperature will be 27 degrees. In Bhubaneswar, maximum and minimum will be at 29 and 23 degrees. Let's take a quick look at South India now. The West Coast will be the only part of South India to receive significant rain tomorrow. Consequently, temperatures here will be lower than rest of South India. Night will be warm and humid in Tamil Nadu, but rest of the areas will be cool around mid-20s. In Mumbai, maximum and minimum will be at 30 and 26 degrees. Maximum and minimum in Bangalore will be 27 and 20 degrees. That's it for now. For latest updates on weather and weather-related topics, you can visit our website skymetweather.com. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook.